Hello everyone, welcome to Flowealth Academy. Today we are going to talk about KickResume AI. First of all, you'll go to your Google or Chrome and search KickResume AI and then click enter. Then you choose KickResume AI, enter. And then on the landing page, what you'll see will be create a new resume or improve my resume. So for us, we are going to create a new resume. So you click create a new resume. On the second page, what you'll see will be the templates page, resume templates. You'll see all templates, simple, modern, one column with photo, and professional templates. So for us, we are going to create a professional resume. So we'll click professional, and then we'll be given templates. So we are going to choose one of the templates we'll use. So there is this one, and this one. So for me, I'll use this one. Also, you can also use the other ones. They are also good, but I'll go with this one. Then you click it. Then the page you'll see will have, I already have a resume, or you can start from scratch. So if you already have one, you can click I already have a resume, and then you upload your resume from your computer or your PC or your device, and then you'll be able to edit your resume. So for us, let's say we don't have a resume, so we'll start from scratch. We'll click start from scratch, and then the page you'll see will be enter your contact details or contacts. So you'll see your first name, you'll enter your first name and last name. Mine's are David, last name Odhiambo. Your desired job title, let's say accountant. Your phone number, that's mine. Your email, you write this, and then you'll proceed. You click next, which is experience. In the experience page, what you'll be required to enter will be job title, the name of your employer or where you are working, where you've worked, location, where is the place located, the date you started and the date you ended that job. So in the description section, you will basically describe the job that you did or you are doing. Or if you don't know how to describe your job, you can generate with the AI. The AI will give you ideas on how to write it. So you can click in so long as it matches your job. So let's say developed engaging online courses. Yeah, that will work. So you click that, and then it will be indicated there. So after doing that, you can proceed. Next will be education. In the education page, what you'll need will be your school name. Mine is Multimedia University of Kenya. Location will be Nairobi, Kenya, where you are learning, where you learnt. Degree, my degree is business IT. Like that, start date and end date, write yours. Whether you are done or not, you can just write end date, you choose current. Description, you describe what you are doing. So me, if I don't know how to describe business IT, I can just generate with the AI. Let's say completed a capstone project on data analytics. Let's go with that one, and then you write it there. So basically, here in the education page, there is, you must key in your secondary school or junior high school, I don't know how you call it, but you must enter it. Kindergarten, I don't think it's a must, but primary school for us. So these are my secondary school. You'll write, and then you must key in this information. The description, you describe your KCSE. You can say you passed with flying colors, achieved a grade that enabled you to enroll to the university. Yeah. And then to the primary school, you also do the same. Passed with flying colors, you enter. Then next, you proceed to your skills. So in the skills page, you'll write your skills, the skills you have. Let's say you are a graphics designer, you'll write it there. And then there are levels. There is novice, beginner, skillful, experienced, or expert. So for me, I can write technical leadership, Python, Java, C++, and C. Those are my areas. SQL, website development. So for you, if you are a graphic designer, you write that. If you are a leader, write leadership. You are an expert in leadership. You are a computer science person, write computer science expert, a skill as your skill. So for the skills section, you can write as many as you want, because people have different skills and some have many. So then you go to next, summary, and then you'll summarize. You'll check what you've written. In short, you check if what you've written, they are good, okay, and what you want. So you'll check the summary. You'll check, you write your summary. Summary basically is you summarize your resume. So for me, I can say I'm a driven BBIT student with a strong passion for computer languages and technology. So if you are a computer science, you can summarize what is computer science or what you are doing. And then you finalize. So summary is basically summarizing your resume, what you are doing, what you are passionate about. And then I'll finalize. In this section, you can add certificates or licenses if you have, languages, awards and honors, website and social media, references, hobbies and interest, custom section. So the next page will basically be download. Then you download your resume. Yeah, the resume. So you can download it as a PDF or as a text, whichever you choose. And that's it. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you. Bye.